Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord bot to send YouTube notifications, the live stream, in a Discord server. So first go to this website. All the links in this video mentioned will be in the description below. It will ask you to log in your account over here, Discord account. After you have done that, go to my servers. I already have it. Just choose the server that you have here. Just click it. I have it joined. I'll just click that. Then choose the services here. Choose YouTube. Then press this green button. We will disable the uploads and premiere. We want live stream, so we'll click this red over here, make sure there's a tick here. Then this is what you want the message to say. This is what the message you want to say. This is an example of what it will say. Then go down here for the YouTube channel URL, so we will go to YouTube for that. So let's go to my channel for this example. We'll get the channel link, then we'll paste it here, then we press add channel. We need to choose the channel here, so I just have that channel. Make sure this bot has the permission to send messages. The bot can ping at everyone at here in this channel. And it can use embed links. Then add channel, then just press save. So now it will be saved. You can add up to 3 YouTube channels. You cannot add more than that. If you need to add more than that, you need to get the premium of this bot. And if you want to use this bot to upload videos, you really can add one of this one. If you want one for live stream and the other one for upload videos, you can't unless you get premium version. If you want to edit this more, just come here again, then press the edit, then go back to live streams, and yeah. So go to Discord. This is the one I have right now. So Discord will just send a message over here in this channel that I chose. So it will only come in here. So yeah, that's all for now.